In Europe, Volkswagen began implementing the technical measures for EA189 diesel engines. In Berlin, German Minister of Transport Alexander Dobrindt and VW brand chief Herbert Diess learned about the practical implementation of the modification. It's really a very important moment, a great step forward for us, since this is now really about remedying the problems on the German and European markets. Starting with the Amarok as the first vehicle, we can now initiate a forward movement, which I've been looking forward to very much, and which will now also lead to a change in sentiment. We are now in the problem-solving phase, the remedy phase. We will satisfy our customers. We are in the process of regaining trust. After updating the software for the engine controller, the Amarok using the 2-liter TDI engine will comply with the required limits for the EU5 emission standard.
Die Softwarelösungen und Hardwarelösungen, die uns vorgestellt worden sind von Seiten
The software and hardware solutions presented to us by Volkswagen gave us reason to feel that the expectations have been fulfilled, and the modifications will not be undertaken to the detriment of customers, and that thanks to the software changes, the vehicles are brought into proper condition.
Softwareänderungen in einen ordnungsgemäßen Zustand versetzt werden.
To ensure an efficient recall implementation, the affected vehicle models have been divided into several groups. After being checked and approved by the German Federal Motor Transport Authority, the affected customers are contacted and receive information about the measure at hand. In a second letter, vehicle owners will be asked to schedule an appointment with a Volkswagen partner company. Then the software gets updated. Ideally, the customer can stay and wait while it's being done. The entire repair process takes about 1 hour. Soon, the Amarok will be followed by the Passat using the 2-liter TDI engine. Over the course of the next few months, 1.2 and 1.6-liter engines will be converted as well. The latter model will also be fitted with a flow rectifier in the intake duct, with expected labor time, inclusive of software update, of just under 45 minutes. I believe the company really fought hard to make this moment, or this introduction, possible, and we will now continue working on converting all vehicles in Europe over the course of the year. We are working as intensively, or even more intensively, on solutions for the US. I would like to encourage our staff again and say that this is now the most important task for the Volkswagen Group. I believe the right people are working on it, that they are motivated, and they give it all they got.
Ich glaube, wir haben die richtigen Leute an der Arbeit, sind auch motiviert und geben alles.
The implementation of the measures in Germany and Europe will extend throughout 2016. Up until their modification, the affected EA189 engines remain technically